Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into the Parrot Key Hotel and Villas in Key West, Florida. Before you book your stay at this 4-star resort, here are 10 things you absolutely need to know. Don't forget, you can find a direct booking link and a QR code in the description below. The hotel is in Key West. It is situated near landmarks like Walgreens and Winn-Dixie, meaning it's in a convenient area. The sunset celebration is also nearby, which is a great bonus. The description does not specify room types or potential noise levels. Keep in mind that for specific room details, be sure to check the hotel's website or other reviews. Reviews give the property a solid score for value for money at 8.1. That said, consider current pricing and any potential extra fees, resort fees, parking, etc. when planning your budget. Breakfast is included. You can expect a buffet with American and continental options. Reviews will give you the best idea of how the breakfast is actually like. You can get around using a shuttle service and valet parking, both of which may have extra charges. Bicycle rental is also available. Check-in starts at 4 p.m. The hotel is a smoke-free property. Parking has extra charges. Confirm cancellation policies before booking. The hotel description does not specify the typical guest. Reviews can help understand if it suits couples, families, or solo travelers. The hotel has a good overall review score of 8.3. The location is convenient to Key West attractions and offers amenities like multiple pools and a bar. The initial description does not go over potential downsides. Other reviews can highlight any problems experienced by prior guests. Always read reviews before booking. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi. The airport is a short 5-minute drive away. The hotel also has options like a fitness center, spa, and water sports. So, there you have it. 10 things to consider before booking your stay at Parrot Key Hotel and Villas. It looks like a great option in Key West. Don't wait. Click the link or scan the QR code in the description below to book your trip and start your vacation.